Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can add a WhatsApp link to your Instagram. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put likes, and also write comments. So friends, let us get down to our topic. You will need to open the Instagram app on your phone. Then at the bottom, go to your profile and then tap Change Profile. Now click on Links, and then at the very top you're gonna go to Add an external link. And now you can easily add your WhatsApp link here. You can just paste it if you have it copied, or you can type in the combination that you're about to see. You type in o-a.me, then your phone number, and then you press Done. So as you can see, the WhatsApp link has now been added. You can check it out. If you click here under your profile picture, there will be a link to your WhatsApp, and any user can click on it and easily go to it. Friends, this is the simple way you can add WhatsApp link to your Instagram. I hope this video has helped you. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.